This is the JSON, means this is retrofit we are using. So here it is accepting the data in the form of Google JSON object. So why? Because of that, here I am converting this JSON object request to JSON object request. Here I am selecting here JSON object is Google JSON object. So that I am converting here. See, this is already we defined the JSON object on the top. So I am taking this. So from here I am converting JSON parser. So here you can pick from the JSON parser. So new JSON parser. So here we can pick the JSON parser. So JSON parser. So JSON parser dot parse. So what we are parsing here? JSON object. This JSON object here we are passing. So JSON object. So to string, that immediately convert to string. Finally, that is in the form of JSON object. So done. So this is, we are converting that JSON object to this. So now this JSON object means this object now we need to send to the server. So that we will do now. So here for that what we will do is, here in the next here we are calling again this retrofit call. So in this call now we'll call this response class. So this response class, what is our response class? Register response. So I'll call this here register response. So for this I'm creating this register response class something declaration. So here now we'll call this interface. So what is our interface here? Register interface. So register interface. So here I am calling this register interface, this here. So here I am calling where we are now here. So here I am calling that register interface dot reg. So this reg I am getting from here register interface, this reg I am getting here. So that reg, now in this we need to pass this JSON object. So now with this, that code should be completed. So what this the code means? It should be what we are getting that code should be, means that code it is in the form of JSON, means it is in the request is done. So that request is done. So after this request here, now below I am doing here, now using this I want to type the response. So register interface dot, so this as means this has very flexible response. So that response should be here, see this register. So what we are writing here now, this register class. So register interface class. So here I am writing here register interface call. So register interface call dot, so register interface call dot enqueue method. So enqueue method will create this response. The enqueue method callback automatically it will create this on response and on failure. So it will give this both. So directly I can write here first in the both means in this case. So here we are getting the data in the form of response, and here also you are getting this throwable. So what is the error? It will come. So for that error I will close first this loop here, this toast. So I am creating the here toast. So I am picking the toast. So directly I will write here. This means if any exception will come, means any error will come, that exception will execute here throwable, that it will give directly here. So now here I want to write the cases. So if it is how many cases here we are getting in the document. So here in the document we are getting in the total 3 cases. One is the failed, one is the success, and other one is this. So now I am picking this failed case. So how we are getting here? If I am directly here I am writing this if, so here see directly lasting task we created some extra string and all, but here that is not required. So directly from here I am picking this response. So response, this is the retrofit response. So response dot body dot, so this body should be always, it should be this. So here response. So this response, get response. So this get response key I am getting from here. See this get response key I am getting from here. So dot equal ignore case of, so what I copied there failed. So if it is this, I'll execute something. So then next else here I'll execute something. So here means sorry, else, in else we have one more thing, else if I'm writing the condition same response dot body dot get response dot equal ignore case of. Here I'll copy the second one, that should be here success. So I'll put this success, and the next should be here, that is a failure case. So if it is both are not accept, then if it, definitely it should be the else case. So here I'll add that else this. Now here just I want to show it is a success or failure, so that should be here. See here I'm writing here again this, I'm writing the toast here. So toast dot make text. So here I want to show the toast message which is failure or not. So toast, here directly I'm writing that data. So here how we can write this, response dot, so what is this response? So response dot body dot get user. So what is the user data is there? So this key. So just I want to show this key, automatically the data will come into this. So response dot this. So then same second here also I'll write here some toast. So toast dot make text. So here also same, it should be here. What is that? Here response dot. So response dot body dot. So body dot get user. So it is also giving this. So last line also it should be the same. Else it should be, if it should be the error, it should comes into this line, it will execute this line toast. Here also I'm putting the same. So response dot, so here response dot body dot, so body dot response dot body dot, so get user. So it will also give this. So now this program is done. So now just we'll give an internet connectivity and then we can run this program. See now I'm applying this internet connectivity here. So internet is connected here, users permission, so internet. So now I'm running this program. So I'm running this program directly into my mobile. So I'm running from here. Just a minute, I'm connecting my device. So I'm connecting my device, because if we run this emulator, so sometimes maybe in emulators we are unable to access this one. So because of that I'm directly running into mobile. So we'll run in the mobile and we'll see this. See, mobile is connected. So I'm running this into mobile. So now in this mobile we can see this output. So for this output purpose I'm opening here Visor. So Visor will see my mobile screen onto that. So it is running this application. So once we get this, once we run this, we'll get this output into this, so that we will observe here. So now I'm connecting my device. See, once this is done, then same for the same, we'll create one more program that we can deal with our registration. Registration is here done. So it's the same, we can deal with this login one. So we'll observe the login into on the next screen. So this is our output. So now here I'm entering something data. So here I'm entering the username as something. So then here password, I'm entering the password something, and this mobile number, I'm entering this mobile number is something. So then email ID, I'm entering something. So then I'm clicking on this. See, once I click on this, so now here we'll get some toast. See, user created means this is positive case is executed. Now I'm clicking on this one, already member. So both it should be created successfully. So with this we did this retrofit registration successfully. So in this next tutorial we'll observe this retrofit with login. So next tutorial we'll observe this retrofit login. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe my channel to get more updates. Thank you.